So after unit running maybe 10 minutes, my subcooling went to 3.5, which is good, which is indication that it needs just a little bit r410. So I'm gonna just added the yellow hose here. So let me get the air out. Okay. Okay. Now it's nice and tight. Always make sure this one is open, the needle valve's open completely. So 3.7, let me open this one. I gotta put it upside down. So this is how I have it here. So I will just open just quick and close it. So I will open the suction side. Close. See how this is gonna do. So this went to 3.7. This one stays there, so I'll add a little bit more. Okay, we're getting to 4.2 subcooling. So our goal is 6. Our goal is 6. So we are almost there. We have 5. Open one more time quick. 5.7, 5.8. That's getting close. I will leave to cycle a little bit. Okay, we're almost at target, so we are 6 right now. So this one will start increasing as well. So we should get it there. So once the system gets balanced, all the refrigerant, we're gonna be able to see what the ranges are here, but system looks better now. It is okay for subcooling to fluctuate just a little bit up and down, but our target again it's 6. So as you see, it's going to, it's right 6.4 right now. It's dropping to 6.3 and 6.5, which is a good range. So, and my temperature is 77. Here on the charts it's 75. So I'm a little bit higher temperature, so system looks good to me.